In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually sort rows in an Excel pivot table. Let's start with a quick overview of what we're trying to achieve. By default, Excel usually sorts pivot table rows alphabetically or by value, depending on your settings. That's useful, but there are many situations where you need a custom order instead. For example, you might want certain categories to appear at the top, or you may need to arrange items in a logical sequence that doesn't follow the alphabet or number size. Manual sorting gives you that control. First, make sure you already have a pivot table set up from your source data. If you're looking at a regular table or a simple range of cells, you'll want to convert that into a pivot table before following along. Once your pivot table is ready, identify the row labels you want to rearrange. These are usually listed in the leftmost column of your pivot table. To manually sort, click directly on the cell that contains the row label you want to move. You don't need to open any menu just yet. Simply select the label. After selecting it, move your cursor to the border of that cell until you see the four-sided move cursor appear. This tells you that Excel is ready for you to drag that item. Now, click and hold your mouse, then drag that row label up or down to the new position where you want it to appear. As you drag, you'll see a horizontal line that indicates where the row will be dropped. Release the mouse button when you're happy with the new position. Excel will automatically shift the surrounding items to accommodate your custom order. You can repeat this process for any other row labels you want to rearrange. The key is that you're modifying the order directly in the pivot table view, rather than changing the original data. Remember that if you reapply a sort from the pivot table menu, such as sorting A to Z or by value, Excel may override your manual sort and return to its automatic order. If you ever want to revert, you can use the sort options on the row labels drop-down arrow and choose to sort again alphabetically or by value. This will reset your custom arrangement. That's all there is to it. By clicking, dragging, and dropping row labels, you gain precise control over how information appears in your pivot table, making your reports clearer and more tailored to your needs.